In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google appointment schedules to Google Sites. If you want visitors to book time with you directly from your website, embedding your Google appointment schedule into Google Sites is a simple and effective way to do it. This helps keep everything in one place, so people can view your page and schedule time without needing to jump between multiple tabs or platforms. To get started, go to your Google site. Make sure you're on the site you want to edit because this is where the appointment schedule will be added. If needed, open the page where you want the booking section to appear so you can place it in the right location from the beginning. It's usually a good idea to think about visibility here. For example, placing the schedule on a contact page or a dedicated booking page often makes the experience clearer for visitors. Once you're inside the site editor, look over to the panel on the right-hand side and click on Embed. This is the tool Google Sites uses when you want to add content from another source into your page. Since a Google appointment schedule can be shared using embed code, this is the option you'll need. After that, click on Embed Code. Google Sites typically gives you different ways to embed content, and in this case, you want the option that lets you paste HTML. This is important because the schedule needs to be inserted using the code generated from the scheduling page. Now paste the HTML code from the site you want to embed. Be careful to copy the full embed code before pasting it here so the schedule displays properly. If anything is missing or incomplete, the preview may not load the way you expect. This step is the core of the process because it's what tells Google Sites exactly what content to show on your page. Once the code is pasted in, click on Next. This lets Google Sites process the embed and prepare it for placement on the page. At this stage, you'll usually be able to review how the embedded content will appear before finalizing its position. If the preview looks too small or not quite right, you can often adjust the size later after it's inserted into the page. And that's it. Your Google appointment schedule is now ready to be embedded into your Google site. From here, you can position it where you want and make sure it fits neatly into your layout. A final tip: always preview your site before publishing to confirm the schedule loads correctly and is easy for visitors to use.